name's Marita. I'm a collection manager, and it's my job to look after collections and storage at Museums Victoria. Now what you see here is a jar full of beautiful silk moth cocoons. These are the cocoons that silk moths create when they go from larvae stage before they become a moth. And they weave this beautiful cocoon and spend 1 or 2 days inside. Now these cocoons were collected by the museum in 1895. They're 125 years old, and they were actually the first items registered into the Science and Technology collections. They have the registration number ST00001. I think that's quite amazing to be able to hold this jar of these beautiful cocoons that are so old, and to think of how cocoons can be pulled out to create a single thread that can be woven into fabric that might be turned into dresses or parachutes or scarves. Silk is one of the most amazing materials, and I'm really humbled to look at how moths create these beautiful cocoons. My favourite object, silk moth cocoons.